to send a clear message to political parties and people of Goa that I am serious in the business. आयज सकाळच्या उठान वेगळे वेगळे पत्रां पळयली. आतां मदें म्हणटा टीव्हीचेर कितें बातमी येतली ती आतां दिसती पडटली, पूण सगळे पत्रांचेर वेगळी वेगळी बातमी पळयली आनी शेवटाक म्हाका दिसलें बाबा आयज पक्षाचे वेगळे वेगळे पक्षाचे आमच्या पक्षाचे लिडर पावतात, दुसऱ्या पक्षाचे लिडर गोंयां येयल्ले आहा. सो ही मॅसेज ह्या सगळ्या लिडरांक क्लियर कट पावपाक की मिकी जॉयनिंग इन काँग्रेस टू स्ट्रेंथन द काँग्रेस पार्टी. When I talk about strengthening the party, it is not I am talking about a position. म्हाका पोजिशन बी कांय लागना. म्हाका फकत पक्ष लागता. ज्या भागांनी ज्या मतदारसंघांनी म्हाका कोणूय आमचे मनीस आहा ताका आमच्या संघाताक काँग्रेसान हाडपाची हांव प्रयत्न करता आनी करतलो. दोन गोश्टी हिंगा क्लियर करपाक जाय. दोन्ही गोश्टी आमच्या पक्षांतले कांय जाण, हांव तुमकां नांव सांगना, बट द मॅसेज वील रीच टू इट्स अंडरस्टूड. तुमी समजतले, गोंयचोय लोक समजतले आनी पॉलिटिकल लिडर आहाय तेय समजतले. कांय लोक सो दे आर बॅलन्सींग but I am not here to balance. I am in serious business. So माझी ही message clear cut जे कोण बॅलन्सिंग करता तांकां आनी लोकांक सिरियस घेवपाक जे मिकी कितें उलयता ते सिरियस उलयता. आय एम इन अ सिरियस बिजनेस. ओके, देरफॉर दीस प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आय कॉल्ड. आतां तुमी खबर आसतली एनसीपीन आज अल्टरनेट म्हणून दिला काँग्रेसाक 15 तारीख पर्यंत दिता आमकां एलायन्स सांगची म्हणून. सी, आय ऑल्सो गॉट समथींग टू से. आय रिमेंबर when in 2005 when I toppled Parikar-led government and we formed a government, Congress government. Out of 5, I joined NCP and remaining 4 joined Congress, which one was lost, Mr. Isidore Fernandes. So I am also that point of time, because there was we had an election in 2002 आणि आम्ही काँग्रेसाच्या एगेन्स्ट इलेक्शन झुजले आणि आमी जिखले. सो बेसिकली I was not against the Congress. I was against the people who was in Congress and I fought against those people. So those people are not now, they are not in Congress, and therefore my entry in Congress, okay, because there are few of them now. आता एनसीपीन काँग्रेसाक 15 तारीख पर्यंत टायम दिला एलायन्स करपाक आनीक दे आस्किंग 10 सीट्स. म्हाका फकत ही मॅसेज क्लियर कट पावोवपाक जाय एनसीपीक. आनीक एनसीपी कोण लिडर आयज पत्रकारां कडेन कितें जाल्यार सो लोक तेंचे विचार आहा ते मांडटात. आनी आयच्या पत्रांत पळयत तुमी पळयलां आसतलें ते एक लिडर एलायन्स मागता आनी तेजी फॅमिली दुसऱ्या मतदारसंघात इंडिपेंडंट बसोवपाक सोदता. सो आतां इलेक्शनाक म्हणटा आनीक 6 म्हयने आहा. पावर हॉस्टेट करपाची वेगळी गोष्ट, ती मागीर सत्तेर येवचे तेन्ना पळोवचे. पूण आयज इलेक्शनाक वचपाक पासून हे हॉस्टेट करूंक लागले. दीस इज लायक अ थ्रेट. काँग्रेसाक थ्रेट दिवपाक गरज ना. आय एम सेंडिंग अ क्लियर मेसेज टू बोथ द लीडर हू इज एडजस्टंट टू माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, नुवें जावं, बेनावली जावं वो फातोर्डा. एकलो एक पक्ष मागता 10 सिटां, एक पक्ष मागता 8 सिटां, 18 सिटां हे घेवन गेले मागता ते. आनी तितून नंतर 2-3 सिटां जावं प्रियॉड जावं मडकय ती भायर करी जाल्यार 20 सिटां उरली. सो काँग्रेस मागोना अलायन्स. काँग्रेस अलायन्स मागोना. पूण जे पक्ष अलायन्स करूंक मागता, आनी आयज तुमी पयलां आसतले दर एक मतदार संघान वचून ऑफिस उगडटा. ऑफिस उगडून कितें जालां की 10 जाणांचे एक रेंटार शॉप रेंट केल्लें 100 म्हयन्या खातीर वो वर्सा खातीर. ओके, वर्साक 2-2.5 लाख 2 लाख जाले. एक सॅलरीची कोणाक बसयलो एक मनशाक. पूण हे ब्लॅकमेलिंग करपाचें न्हू बंद करपाक जाय. हांवें आयकलां एक पक्ष मारगांव ऑफिस उक्तें करता म्हणून. म्हणजे मारगांव आमकां काँग्रेसाक थ्रेट दिवपाक. सो हे थ्रेट दिवपाक आनी आमच्या लिडरांनी, आमच्या काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या लिडरांनी हे भंय घेवपाची, भिरांत घेवपाची बंद करपाक जाय. आनी दे शूड नॉट बॅलन्स, दे शूड कम ऑल आउट. तुमकां खबर आसतली ही 8-10 सिटां एनसीपीन मागल्या ती. प्रफुल्ल पाटीलान इज गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ मायन. प्रफुल्ल पाटील आयज म्हाका दिसता 3 वर्सां सुमार गोंय आयलो आसतलो. 6 म्हयने आहा इलेक्शनाक. आनीक इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अलायन्स. ही शूड नो तेजो लोन MLA आहा तो 4.5 वर्सां पासून काँग्रेसा सांगता, BJP सांगता का. सकाळीं उठ्ठा, सांजचो म्हणजे सांजचो न्हिदोंक वयता, ताका फकत BJPचो सरकार दिसता. बारीक समाजाचो चीफ मिनिस्टर, विजन आसलो चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून, तेणें 4.5 वर्सां काडलीं. आनी आतां इलेक्शनाच्या वेळार ताका दिसलें बाबा ज्या मतदारसंघांनी तो निवडून येयलो आहा थिंगा BJPचो बेज ना, थंयसर आमचो मोस्ट the voters are minorities, Catholic. आनी ताका खबर आहा बाबा आपण ताका आतां ताका दिवं जाल्यार BJP आपल्याक वत पडचें ना म्हणून. सो ताका खंयची तरी एक पार्टी जाय. आय एम क्लियरिंग माय स्टँड हियर टुडे. I am clearing my stand today that Miki Pashigo will contest in Benavli. And Benavli constituency and Fatorda just adjacent. ही म्हाका तुमच्या पत्रकारांतल्यान सगळ्याक आमच्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टयांक, त्या लिडरांक आनी गोंयचे परचेक मॅसेज पावयता क्लियर कट दॅट मिकी पाशिको वील कॉन्टेस्ट in Benavli and adjusting Benavli constituency Fatorda. हांव म्हाज्या लिडरां कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करतलो. आय एम नॉट आस्किंग पोजिशन, आय एम नॉट आस्किंग पोजिशन विथ माय लिडर. आय एम आस्किंग माय पार्टी. आय एम आस्किंग that I will take initiative in Fatorda. In Fatorda, the block I will constitute. I also see that Congress 10 years back, it is Congress who was there 15 years back. I will see that Congress is back again in Fatorda. एक पक्ष आता तुम्ही जाण आसतले NCP सांगता आपल्याक 10 जाईन, गोवा फॉर म्हणटा आपल्याक 8 जाईन. हांव एक फाराक एकूच फाराक बाणावली आनी हिंगा फातोर्डा तेंचे एकूच फाराक एका दोगांयक उडोवप म्हणटले गोंयचे पोरचेक मॅसेज क्लियर कार्ड मॅसेज पावतली त्या ओटरा मागता ती ओटराय बर्ड्स एक वराक वयता जे हांवें तर पावोन घातलो एक पाव बाणावलेन आनी एक पाव फातोर्डा that means both constituencies will be busy and they will not reach when they are talking about 8 constituencies and 10 constituencies. So therefore I will see that 20 years back Benavali constituency was Congress which they lost against me. It is my duty bound to bring that Congress hand symbol back again to Congress. And also Fatarda. I will see that my leaders, including the party president, Mr. Girish Chodurkar, who is sincerely working for Congress. Let anybody talk anything against him, but I am with him. We all unitedly work for Congress, and I see that Congress, the whole team, which is given a position, which is, of course, they will work together, and the groundwork, people like me, and there are young bodies there, will work for Congress to get 2022 in power.
Okay. Basically, two things. One is that you say that you will contest from Benavali.
Right.
That brings up the question whether it will on which ticket, on which banner.
Congress.
You think there won't be an alliance?
I don't think there's any alliance.
And if there is an alliance, where you will go?
Let's not consider that alliance now. There is no alliance. Even in before I could join, I discussed all this. Okay, it is my duty. Again, I'm saying it is my duty bound to bring back that Benavali seat back again into Congress.
No, have they told you that alliance will be not held?
No.
When you talk with
yeah, there's no alliance. There's no. Why we just?
It has been told to you.
Yes, there's no alliance.
By whom?
I spoke to the top leaders.
What have they said?
There's no alliance.
There's no alliance.
म्हाका तुमकां एक गोष्ट तुमकां क्लियर करपाक जाय हांगा. See, let's not talk about alliance. If you talk about alliance, message has to go clear cut to the people of Goa and all this who's asking to be alliance. They are those the party who's asking the alliance. You got to understand. These are the power hostilities. Congress has got alliance. Alliance करू मागता कोण? तेंका गरज आहा.
Miti सांगता रे. Miti was not even an office bearer, not even.
I don't have to office bearer.
No, this question was posed to Girish yesterday itself. Decisions we cannot even discuss here. It will be decided at the center. Tito mone tum vido sarkar no alliance.
See,
that is the
point. आम तुका सांगता जेन्ना आमी जॉइन जाले, आमी आतां जॉइन जाल्या पक्षांत, आमी टू स्टँड अप द काँग्रेस. So when we talk about this, people like me, and there are many more joining. Why they are joining? To stand up the party. And when we have a base, strong base, and every constituency, where is the question arise of alliance? Konak the alliance? To me, Maka Sangha, there is one NCP seat, okay, one NCP seat who was asking alliance, which I can take him one go.
This press conference, are you trying to preempt your leadership not to go for alliance?
No, it's not. I discussed.
No, you are trying to preempt, fearing that party might go for alliance.
No, I see. At this point of time, party is not even thinking of going alliance. As how the leaders, most senior leaders like Chidambaram ji said that we are having a leader in every 40 constituency, and we have to revive that.
But you also said that alliance can be think of.
No, see, you tell me when places like certain constituencies we don't have strong enough contenders, then we might think. But at this point of time, those people who are talking about alliance, you're talking about Fatarda or maybe in Banawadi, so we have enough candidates.
No, but this
So Miki is there in the frame, Janali.
Of course.
And are you ruling out that you will not contest from Fatarda?
See, I'm ruling, of course, I'm not contesting in Fatwada, but I will see that, I take lead in Fatwada, okay, since I was given a charge
Okay.
to look after that constituency. I will see.
Mickey.
Girish Chodandar is the Fatwada candidate. Girish Chodandar.
Whoever will have the block, and block will decide who should be their candidate.
Number one thing, you will contest from Badauli.
Right.
Irrespective of the alliance,
Irrespective.
you are there.
See, this alliance concept doesn't arise.
No.
In politics, anything can happen.
Anything can happen. I am there in Badauli.
You are there.
I am there in Badauli.
Irrespective.
See, irrespective, because we decided. Because see, you got to understand, last 2017 there was no alliance. You got to understand, there were 2-3 candidates. Today they are asking 10. They put 3-4 candidates. Nothing happened. Anyway, okay, Goa forward also the same thing. But please don't forget, Congress is secular fabric. If these people who really want Congress government to form, okay, they should remain even though after election, post-election, they should stand by the Congress and not join BJP. You tell me today, okay, I want to send a message, a clear cut to people of Goa. In 2016, okay, you all know what happened of municipality here in Margam municipality election was understanding. There was understanding. 2017, what happened? Okay. After post-election, what happened? They support BJP. You agree with me? You all agree with me? And people will agree with me. At the same time, NCP lone MLA also given support to BJP, unconditional, so-called unconditional. That unconditional support is still there. Last 4.5 years, now election time, even to go forward, see, we cannot be a shameless. Everybody saying that politics is dirty, but one should realize and understand. Okay, 2017, this political today who was asking alliance, they supported BJP government just because they thrown out from that government. Today they want alliance because they don't have option. It is not Congress doesn't have option. Please do understand, because they don't have option. If today those who are asking alliance, if they remain in the government, you think they would have asked us alliance? No. Simple that. So just see that in 2022 post-election, what is going to happen? You never know, because that will be same thing again. Post-election going to be frustrating, powers frustrating, and if not there is no binding. They will again support.
Girish also have same views.
See, it is
Girish also have similar views,
right,
which you expressed.
right.
But other players, they are silent ones.
Other players are silent because there are two players are silent because they have a fear. The two players are, no, I am now sang now sang now sang value degrade but आमकां सांगपाक गरज आहा त्या पासत हांवें तुमकां पयलें सांगलां हांवें तुमकां पयलें सांगलां they should not balance, they should not fear. ह्या थ्रेटांक न्हू फियर जावपाक गरज ना काँग्रेस लिडरांनी. वी ऑल देर with our leaders. So therefore my message loud and clear, all the political parties, party leaders and people of Goa. अरे बाबा हांव पक्षाचो हांव एक मेंबर आहा. हांवें सांगलो हांवें तुका एक सांगो I don't need Miki Pacheco, I don't need a position. Let me make clear here that I don't need a position and I don't ask position. I am here to strengthen the Congress party. I will go on ground. I am not going to sit in the office. आम्ही पक्ष चलयलो मनीस एक म्हाका सांगता तुम्ही समजून आम्ही पक्ष चलयलो मनीस म्हाका तो position I no position. I'm not for a position.
But your president is saying that the hierarchy in the Delhi will take the decision.
Even Chidambaram is saying that he has not pulled out the alliance.
आमी तुम्ही न्हू म्हज्या तोंडांतल्यान कितलें भायर काडलें म्हाका तुमकां सांगपा दिसता तुमी कितलें भायर काडलें हो सांगता तो सांगता हांव आतां म्हजें मत आहा तें तुमकां सांगलें.
Just to get a point, what you say, is that the general sentiment in the party or only?
Of course, general sentiment. Out of 100, you'll see that 90%, when I say 90%, 90% is this is what they want. Every party, पक्षाचे जे कार्यकर्ते आहा, youth आहा, तेका हे भाशेचो हे पद्धती आसपाक जाय. तितून कितें हांव येयला कितें म्हणून तितून कितें येवपाक आनी तुमकां टायम जावपा जायो. So I have to be matured in Congress. If that's so, I am the one who physically there right from 2006 to topple BJP government and give opportunity to Congress government. So that is enough. That is enough. My sincerity with Congress. Please do understand that.
Okay, in case alliance झाली आणि NCP वेनावली दिली समोर तर you are trying to get ticket.
आम्ही I'm confident. I will clear this point. See, तुम्ही समज आहे अनेक परत सांगता that Congress doesn't want alliance. We are not talking about alliance. तरी सांगा
गोवा फॉरवर्ड आउट ओनली NCP कडे
परत सांगता हांव तुमकां परत सांगता जो मतदार आसा तुमी जे बनावली म्हणटा ते बनावली मिकी पाशेको 3 फावटी निवडून येयलो. मिकी पाशेको पिड्ड्यार जावन दुसऱ्या मतदार सांगून वचूं ना. हांवें कोणाक जाल्यार चान्स दिलो बरो बनावली मतदारसंघाचो बनावलीचो कोणाक पुताक आमी एक फावटी चान्स दिवचो म्हणून आमी ताका बसयले आनी जिखूनय काडले. ओके, म्हाका फकत सांगपा दिसता तुका जो लोक आयज जो लोक म्हज्या सांगात ताका तो लोक म्हणटा बाबा मिकी पाशेकानूच त्या चर्चिल आलेमाक तेंचे आलेमाक फॅमिली थंयसर भायर धरूंक शकता फकत मिकी पाशेकूच. सो इट इज पीपल डिमांड. And I'm telling you, I have enough strong. म्हाका तुमी जाणा आतां I am in the Congress today by choice and not by compulsion. Please do understand. By choice, and therefore I'm working hard. I'm going to वेगळे मतदारसंघांनी वयता जे मिकी पक्ष घेवन आशिल्लो मिकीचे बरे मागपी आसात त्या जे कॉटर्स every constituency there are quarters, those pockets are there, that I'm bringing back to the Congress. That's what I'm doing. That's all ground work I'm doing.
We agreed. So आम्ही agreed झालो तुझ्याकडे. आमच्या म्हणणे किती माश ऐकून घे.
बरं.
जर बाणाले तरी गॅलंट झाले आणि बाणाले तरी एनसीपी दिले जाल्यार तो फादरडा कॉन्टेस्ट करतलो.
कित्याक गोवा फॉरवर्ड विल बी नॉट इन द
बाबा पळय आमी ते आतांच उलोवपाक जायना. आमी ह्या टायमार हांवें तुका सांगलां बाणावले मतदारसंघात मिकी बसतलो पिरियड. I will see that okay मिकी पाशेको काँग्रेसाचेर थिंगा बसतलो. let's not when I say that मिकी पाशेको बनावली बसतलो काँग्रेसाचेर बसतलो काँग्रेसाचे फुडाराक आतां मुखार कोण एलायन्स मागता खूंय मागता ते वी डोंट नो. But I'm again telling you, Congress खूंय मागता खूंय एडजस्टमेंट करून मागतले एकोणीस NCP ते हांव नको. But my clear cut to people of Goa and especially for Benawali constituency that Miki Pacheko will contest in Benawali.
Miki, by joining Congress, have they given you any assurance that you will be given a ticket from Benawali?
I had, of course, NCT to be म्हाका सांग आमी तुमी मना धर प्लीज डू अंडरस्टँड. तुम्ही म्हाका दिसता तुका एश्युरन्स दिला काय म्हणून तूं बेनावली बसतलो म्हणून. लेट मी मेक पॉयंट क्लियर फर्स्ट. सी पार्टी हैव टू नो फर्स्ट party have to know that last 20 years there is no Congress support. Please do understand. It is me who Miki Pacheko had given an assurance to the party that this particular constituency which I defeated Congress 20 years back, it is I'm going to contest that and see that symbol come back in Benawali constituency. That is indirectly you and I have to understand.
If sentiment.
Yeah,
It is your sentiment.
Yeah, they're my sentiment and their sentiment, therefore I'm in the party, right? So if you tell me if party I'm giving lost the seat 20 years back. I'm bringing back. It is not something good, but party should not appreciate it.
But they want it.
Who doesn't want? Who doesn't want?
You have corporate.
No, party won't accept if the seat coming to us.
You last time, you last time then you won there and then you got defeated. Now hold on.
See, माझे दुनिया बोलता हा म्हणून सी आमका काँग्रेस पक्षाचे आमका सरकार घडपाचो आहा. Mickey is not here to make a family large. Please do understand. Mickey is not asking Mickey's wife to contest there. We have people there, good people there who've been working for Congress.
You will be supporting them anyway.
Obviously, I have to support. कोण तुम्ही असलेले आम्ही बाबा आम्ही उलयता ते काँग्रेस पक्षाचे उलयता जे काँग्रेसात ऑलरेडी आहात सर दे बीन वर्किंग देयर.
एक आसा तुमकां आतां तुमी म्हणटा अलायन्स जावचें ना. अलायन्स जावचें ना. मागीर काँग्रेसान जर तिकीट दुसऱ्या कोणाक पर्सनाक दिले काँग्रेस तिकीट तर तुमी ताका सपोर्ट करतले की इंडिपेंडंट करतले?
होय सर. अरे बाबा आता तुम्ही आता जाता ते न्हू कॉस्ट न्हू कोण दुसऱ्याक जाल्यार ताका सपोर्ट करतले. When I joined the party, I had given my A plan and B plan. So there is already there. So आमका caution आणि
जबाब दिवपाची आमचे एकूच आहे that A plan and B plan. Had you asked means told them that I want to contest from BJP, I mean from Benali, and had they given you assurance that you will get the ticket? This is the only question.
बाबा I got tense तुका सांगत होता. When I said that this constituency I was representing for 10 years, okay, and Congress lost, then I told them I'm going to contest here. Where are you going to contest?
You have told them.
Where are you going to contest, here or there? I said I prefer here, that bring that Congress symbol back again.
So it is agreed.
So which is agreed. So I started my movement because there is no Congress, right? You saw in 2017, Congress got 1,000 votes. So if I'm bringing 7,000-8,000 votes, it is not good.
So basically, you would say the High Command has agreed.
Yeah. So तुम्ही अलायन्स उलोवपाचें ताका अलायन्स कोणाक मागता आनी ताका अलायन्स करून तर खंय मडकय पुरयो हाडपा जाय आमच्या थोडे हाडपाक जाता. So when we have a strong contender, when we have strong base we are making. So why the party will sacrifice or compromise? Tell me. Caution doesn't arise, right? Can we afford to give Nobel seat? No. Even for that matter, not even Kortali. So we have also, Vicky Pachuka have a strong hold in Kortali. So I will see that all this South State, those are constituencies which taken away from Congress, I will work those constituencies. I will work there. So I don't need, in one word, Vicky doesn't need permission. Vicky doesn't need permission, or Vicky need no position. I am here again. I am here to strengthen up Congress Party. That's it. This message has to reach loud and clear all the political party, all the leaders, and people of Goa.
किंवा ते पण आता अलायन्स मागतात तू हवो आहे स्प्लिट इन सेक्युलर वोट्स तुझ्या हाजेत पण
बाबा तुम्ही सांगता ते स्प्लिट इन तुमकां खबर आसपा जाय जे आतां 3-4 वर्सांनी प्रफुल्ल पाटील तेंचेर गमतेर सट दवरला बीजेपीन आनी ताका धाडल्या हिंगा फोडपाक आनी कांय ना ते कितें मॅजीक करतले ना न्हू ते फकत वोट पडटले.
पण गोवा फॉरवर्ड आणि इवन एनसीपी म्हणजे हे जे आता
तुम्ही
सेक्युलर वोट्स आहात ते स्प्लिट जावचे म्हणून
तुम्ही एक मनान धरा गोवा फॉरवर्ड इफ सर्क्युलर फॅब्रिक नो if they was why they joined the BJP then they all this time
You were the member of the BJP.
Excuse me.
You have joined the BJP. They have not joined. They have supported. Once upon a time, you were the member of the BJP.
See, you got to understand. You got to understand that is supporting is one thing, and supporting and joining. Now you got wait. Please do understand. You don't have to grill now. I will clear with you. I joined. Okay. I joined because that is the time in 24 hours joining and coming out with 6. It was needed, and that's what I did. I joined and came out with the rest of them.
MP election ला तुम्ही support केला ना?
2014. 2014, of course, I supported.
BJP.
See, you got to understand. In 2000, start from 2012. 2012, there was the wave. There was a wave, and there was a lot of, even though the religious leader was against the Congress, and therefore both of them they got in 2012 mandate. You agree with me? So for me, when all the top religious leaders we supported that government, see, we also given a support, only support. You got my point. You got to understand, when we in 2007 till 2012, we were Congress was having a 23. The digit reduced to single digit. Please do understand. Okay, and simultaneously last 2017, it was 17 members there. And what happened, you all know. So my support, giving a support, okay. So whole Goa given a mandate to BJP. So where the cost? I did not join. I only support.
काँग्रेस वर्कर्स या पळय तांचे तुम्ही फिलिंग्स केला की तांकां अलायन्स जाय ना
वकराक मुंचे वकराक जाय. तुम्ही म्हाका सांगा, एक मतदारसंघान काँग्रेसाचे कार्यकर्ते आसा. They've been working for the Congress. They've been working for the Congress. Okay, and समजा ते मतदारसंघ ते काढले आणि ते सीट अलायन्स केले जाल्यार दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट डिमोरलायज. कोणाक जाय? ताका जाय, त्या कार्यकर्त्यांक जाय काँग्रेसाच्या हे सीट दुसऱ्याक दिलेले. आणि दिले जाल्यार तुमकां खबर आसतली फुडाराक त्या पक्षाचे जे अलायन्स केला त्या पक्षाचे